Hi everyone, I'm Kevin from the Thompson-Nicola Regional Library. In this video, I'll show you how to use ScienceFlix through our website. I'm accessing it on a computer. It also works well on a mobile device like an Android tablet or an iPad. ScienceFlix offers science-related educational resources collected into units, including videos in several different areas, activity ideas, experiments, and information on careers in science. Open a browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. In the address bar at the top of the browser, type tnrl.ca, then hit Enter. Welcome to the homepage of our website. Scroll down to the Online Resources for Kids section. To access ScienceFlix, click this button. You'll need your library card number. Enter it into the box, and then hit Login. This is ScienceFlix. On the main page, Browse All Topics is auto-selected. You can view topics separated by category, like Earth Science or Life Science. Before we go on, let's take a look at this top menu. Click Experiments. Here you can access many experiments you can do using the scientific method, including detailed instructions, as well as links to other websites with experiments. Now click Careers in Science. There is a general overview of working in science, found here, as well as an A to Z list of info sheets on different careers and links to websites with more information. There is also a Science News section with reading suggestions and news related to science. Back in the Browse All Topics section, I'll click on a topic. Let's say I'd like to learn about planets. When I click, a new page will come up. The menu on the left side lets me choose to watch a short video, read about planets, and more.
Saturn's magnificent rings, Venus's dense atmosphere, Jupiter's great red spot. These 3 planets, and indeed all 8 of the planets in our solar system, including Earth, have remarkable features that
I can choose Read It to get a general article on the topic, or I can dive deeper to get even more videos and articles. If I click Explore More, I get additional reading sorted by Lexile, which is a way to measure reading level of a piece of written text. Lower numbers are easier, and higher numbers are more challenging. There are links to related websites, and Science Lab includes activities you can do related to the topic, including experiments if there is an experiment for the topic. The What Do You Think section has questions to consider and write about, such as, why do planets rotate? Why do planets revolve around a star? The Show What You Know section is a quiz to do once you've learned a lot about a topic. And the Careers link gives you a page about some of the most related careers. For planets, it connects to a page about astronomy. You can search for an area you're interested in. Let's say I want to know some general information about birds. I'll enter birds here in the search bar, then hit Enter. When the results come up, I'll be able to sort them using the drop-down menu by relevance, title, or Lexile, aka reading level. When I scroll down in the results, I see the article, "What is a bird?" So I'll pick that. There is also a Resources and Tools section, which you can find by clicking this link in the top right. It has lesson plans, quizzes, projects, and more for people who are teaching science. Finally, the Help section in the top right has a more in-depth overview of each section and how the website is organized. ScienceFlix also integrates with Google Classroom, which you can find by clicking this button. Thank you for watching this video about ScienceFlix. I hope you have a great time learning about science. If you have any questions, you can contact us by email at questions@tnrd.ca or by phone at 250-372-5145. Bye for now.